Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Zoho Payroll account. So if you also want to log into Zoho Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.zoho.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Zoho. You can see several options over here. If you do not have an account, what you can do is click on the sign up option that you can see right over here. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign into your account, all you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the official sign in page of Zoho. Over here, you'll have to enter your email address or mobile number. You can also sign in using this kind of platforms that you can see right over here. If you want to sign in with email address or mobile number, click on this box. Now enter your email address or mobile number. After that, simply click on the next option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be asked to enter the password. Enter the correct password and after that, you'll be signed into your account. So that is how you log into Zoho Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.